Good morning dear students, myself Harshita Shukla. Today we will learn about HCF by prime factorization method. आज मैं आपको ये बताऊंगी कि HCF prime factorization method से कैसे करेंगे step to step wise. तो firstly we will write 144. This is divisible by 2 because everyone knows what is divisibility. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, then 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, then 2 9s are 18. This is not divisible by 2, so we have to pick out 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now next is 180. This is also divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, then 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. This is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, then 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now next step is we will find common factor these both. अब हमको इसमें कॉमन फैक्टर फाइंड करना है. पहले प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड हम राइट कर लेंगे. प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 144. 144 का प्राइम फैक्टर क्या है? 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 4 times, then 2 times 3. Now next is prime factorization, prime factor of 180, prime factor of 180. So we have to write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Common factor is, कॉमन फैक्टर क्या हो गया? कॉमन का मीन्स होता है कॉमन, जो दोनों में कॉमन हो. तो इसमें अब आपको पिक आउट करने हैं जो कॉमन फैक्टर है ना ये कॉमन फैक्टर, बिकॉज इसमें भी 2 है, इसमें भी 2 है, यहाँ पे भी 2 है, यहाँ पे भी 2 है. देन 2 times 3 भी है. पिक आउट कर लिया हमने. कॉमन फैक्टर हमको फाइंड आउट हो गया. 2 2 3 3. Then therefore required common factor. Therefore required common factor. फिर हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. Therefore required common factor. 2 into 2 into 3 to 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36 is your answer. Now next is 504 and 980. We have also solved it. This is divisible by 2 or not? This is divisible by 2 because last number is 4. This is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry गया, 2 5s are 10, then 2 2s are 4. This is also divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Then this is divisible by 2? No, because last number is 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Okay. Next is 980. 980. This is divisible by 2. Yes, of course. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, that is 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. This is divisible by 2. No. And this is also divisible by this is also divisible by 5. 5 4s are 20, 4 carry, 5 9s are 45, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. So we have to pick out common factor in these two series. Firstly, we will write prime factor of 504. Prime factor of 504. 2 into 2 into 2, then 2 times 3, 1 times 7. Now next is prime factor of 980. Prime factor of 980. 2 times 2, write down. 1 times 5, write down. 2 times 7, write down. So we will pick out common factor in these two series. Common factor. Common factor is जो दोनों में कॉमन हो, जो हमें दोनों में कॉमन फाइंड हो. 1 फर्स्टली कॉमन है, सेकेंड इज 2 कॉमन, देन 5 कॉमन. नो, बिकॉज 5 इस सीरीज में इसमें नहीं है. 7 है, 7 है. ये हमें कॉमन फैक्टर फाइंड आउट हो गया. 2 2 एंड देन 7. देयरफॉर रिक्वायर्ड कॉमन फैक्टर इज 2 multiply by 2 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So your answer is 28. I think HCF by prime factorization method बहुत easy है, आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. If you want to more videos, so please hit the bell icon, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.